Welcome to your dream home where modern elegance meets everyday functionality. This custom style masterpiece is built by Riverside Homes and is designed for the way you live, offering luxurious spaces, high-end finishes, and room for everyone to enjoy. Step inside and take in the soaring ceilings, sleek finishes, and an open concept design that's both stylish and inviting. Whether you are hosting family gatherings or enjoying quiet evenings, this space is as versatile as it is breathtaking. The heart of the home, this show-stopping gourmet kitchen. The two-toned cabinetry, premium appliances, and an oversized island make it a chef's paradise. Whether you're prepping for a dinner party or grabbing a quick bite, this space is designed to impress. For those special occasions, the formal dining room sets the scene for elegant dinners and unforgettable memories. Need a place to work? This dedicated home office provides the perfect blend of productivity and style so you can take care of business without ever leaving home. Hosting guests? This private detached casita offers a retreat-like experience perfect for visitors, in-laws, or the ultimate escape, the man cave. Whether it's for game nights, movie marathons, or just unwinding, this space was designed for maximum fun. Step outside to your personal paradise. This expansive screened lanai leads to a sparkling in-ground pool and sun deck, creating the perfect setting for weekend barbecues, summer fun, or simply relaxing in the Florida sunshine. And even with all this luxury, you still get to enjoy the beauty of nature. This oversized lot backs up to a stunning preserve, giving you privacy, space, and a serene backdrop to your daily life. This home truly has it all: luxury, functionality, and the perfect blend of indoor and outdoor living space. The best part, it can be yours. Contact me today to schedule a tour and to see this incredible home for yourself.